Hello all, welcome back to NSC Maths. Today we are going to learn the next topic of unit number 3, inner product spaces, norm or length of a vector and Euclidean space. So let us start with the inner product spaces. Definition: let V, capital V, be a real vector space. Suppose to each pair of vectors u and small v, it is from capital V. There is assign a real number denoted by in bracket u comma v. This bracket is read as inner product u comma v on capital V if it satisfies the following properties. So which properties are there? So first property is linearity property. So what is linearity property? Inner product of AU plus BW comma V. This can be written as, this A is a constant term. We can take A outside and take inner product of U with this V. So inner product of U comma V plus sign, this plus sign. B is constant term taking outside and inner product of W with V, where W is again a vector from capital V. Second property, it is a symmetric property. Inner product of U comma V is equals to inner product of V comma U. And third property, positive definite property. That means inner product of U comma U is always greater than equals to 0, and if inner product of U comma U is equals to 0, this inner product of U comma U is equals to 0 if and only if value of U is equals to 0. If inner product satisfies this property, okay, or this notation satisfies these three properties, then we call it as inner product of U comma V is an inner product on vector space V. Then next point, norm or length of a vector. So what is norm or the length of a vector? So the non-negative real number, we know that the length is always non-negative, it is always positive. So non-negative real number. Now in double modulus U, it is read as norm U is called norm or length of a vector and is defined by norm U is equals to under root of inner product of U comma U. That means when you take inner product of U with itself, inner product of U comma U, and take its root, we will get the norm of U. So this implies norm of U bracket square is equals to inner product of U comma U. That we have to use in the examples. Then next point, that is Euclidean space. So what is Euclidean space? So consider the vector space R is to N. R is to N, it is a vector space of real numbers having N elements. That means let U and V, these both are from R is to N. Both elements from R is to N, because A1 is from R, A2 is from real number, AN is also a real number, and so there are N number of elements, so it belongs to R is to N. Similarly, V is from R is to N. Then the inner product in Euclidean space, inner product of U comma V, inner product of these two can be defined as, we can write as a U dot V, and can be calculated as this A1 into B1 plus A2 into B2 plus this AN into BN. That can be also calculated by using the formula U transpose into V. If you take a transpose of this first vector U, so you will get the row vector A1, A2, A3 AN multiply by V vector, that is B1, B2 BN, it is a column vector. If you take a multiplication of these two matrices, so you will get again this term. Okay, so this is a inner product, formula of inner product in Euclidean space that we have to use while solving the example. And also how to calculate the norm of U in Euclidean space. We already seen the formula for norm of U here. Norm of U is inner product of U comma U. So here norm of U is equals to inner product of U comma U under root of inner product of U comma U. So this under root as it is inner product of U comma U. So take a inner product of U with itself only. So this A1 into A1 you will get A1 square plus A2 into A2, that is A2 square plus up to AN square. So this is the inner product of U or norm of U. The vector space R is to N with above inner product, that means this inner product and this norm, okay, is called Euclidean n space. This is called the Euclidean space. If you take a definition of inner product like this and definition of norm like this, then this is called the Euclidean n space or Euclidean space, simple. Okay. Then next point, distance between two vectors u and v. We denote it as a d of in bracket u comma v. It means distance between u and v. The formula for distance of u and v, vector u and v, is norm of u minus v. Norm of u minus v. Then next one is angle between two vectors. The angle between two vectors u and v, these are the two vectors from the vector space capital V. So this angle is always unique. Angle between two vectors is always unique. And that angle is given by theta, where theta is cos theta is equals to inner product of u comma u, in the numerator inner product of u comma u, upon in the denominator norm of u into norm of v, where that theta angle, that means angle between these two vectors, is always in between 0 and pi. Always in between 0 and pi. Now let us take an example on this. So the first example, find distance between u and v if u is given as the vector 5, 5, 8, 8. So there are 4 elements. So this is from r raised to 4. And v is also 1, 2, 3, 4. Again 4 elements. So this is from r raised to 4. So calculate this distance of u minus u comma v. First we have to calculate u minus v. So what is u minus v? So it is 5, 5, 8, 8 minus 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is equals to 5 minus 1, it is 4. 5 minus 2, it is 3. 8 minus 3, it is 5. And 8 minus 4, it is 4. We will get this vector. Now we have to take a norm of this vector. So what is norm of u minus v? So norm of u minus v is nothing but under root of a1 square plus a2 square plus a3 square plus a4 square. This is a1, a2, a3, a4. So it is 4 square plus 3 square plus 5 square plus 4 square. So this is under root of 16 plus 9 plus 25 plus 16. So this is equals to under root of 66. That is our final answer. Distance between vectors u and v. Distance between u and v is equals to under root of 66. This formula is nothing but the formula of distance between u and v. Now next example. Find angle between u is the vector 5, 1, 2 elements, and v is the vector minus 2, 3. So you have to find the angle between u and v, and these u and v are the elements of r square because there are 2 elements here. Okay. So what is the formula for angle between two vectors? So you know that the formula is cos theta is equals to inner product of u comma v upon norm of u into norm of v. So to calculate this theta, first you have to calculate inner product of u comma v, norm of u and norm of u. So we calculate these terms first. So what is inner product of u comma v? Inner product of u comma v is nothing but inner product of 5, 1, comma minus 2, 3. So this is a1, a2, this is b1, b2. So inner product can be taken as the multiplication 5 into minus 2, that is minus of 10, plus 1 into 3, it is 3. So it is minus of 7. Then norm of u is under root of a1 square plus a2 square. So it is 5 square plus 1 square. So under root of 25 plus 1, it is under root of 26. And norm of v, under root of b1 square plus b2 square. b1 is minus 2 square is, or you can write minus 2 square plus 3 square. So under root of minus 2 square is plus 4, 3 square is 9. So this is under root of 13. Therefore, cos theta is equals to, put all these values in equation number 1. So cos theta is equals to inner product of u comma v. So it is minus 7 upon norm of q, it is under root of 26 into norm of v under root of 13. So theta is equals to cos inverse of minus 7 upon root of 26 root of 13. This is our final answer. This is angle between the two vectors u and v.